Keep on. Keep on. Please keep on practicing your piano lessons every day if you want to improve. Despite the setbacks, they decided to keep on working towards their goal. Look out. Look out. Look out for pedestrians when you're driving through busy intersections. We need to look out for any changes in the weather before we plan our hike. Pass out. Pass out. The heat was so intense that several people started to pass out during the outdoor event. She accidentally drank too much and ended up passing out at the party. Pass away. Pass away. My grandmother passed away peacefully in her sleep last night. It's never easy to accept when a loved one passes away unexpectedly. Pass away. Pass away. The engineers warned us not to let the experiment blow up by mishandling the chemicals. The media blew up the story about the celebrity's secret wedding. Bring back. Bring back. I hope this song brings back good memories of our trip to the beach last summer. Let's bring back the tradition of family dinners on Sundays. Bring up. Bring up. It's important to bring up any concerns you have during the meeting. She was brought up in a small town where everyone knew each other. Break down. Break down. The car broke down on the highway, so we had to call a tow truck. He tends to break down complex ideas into simple steps during his lectures. Come over. Come over. Can you come over to my place tonight? I need your help with something. She suddenly felt ill, so I told her to come over to my house and rest. Eat out. Eat out. Let's eat out tonight and try that new Italian restaurant downtown. They prefer to eat out on weekends rather than cook at home. Carry on. Carry on. Despite the difficulties, they decided to carry on with their plans to start a new business. Please carry on with your work while I finish up this report. Drop out. Drop out. He decided to drop out of college and pursue a career in music. Several contestants dropped out of the competition due to injury.